In this guide, I'll show you how to link your EA account to your PlayStation Network account. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and in search you want to type in EA account in search. Now that's going to bring you to this page where you want to select EA.com at the top, and once you're on the EA homepage, select the profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign In. So that's going to bring you to this sign in page where you can sign into your EA account using one of these platforms below, or you can use your phone or email address to sign in. Now, once you're signed in, you'll be brought back to this home page, so select the profile icon in the top right corner and go to Account Settings. Now, once you're in Account Settings, scroll down and have a look on the left sidebar and go to Connected Accounts. So here's where you'll be able to see all of your linked accounts. My PlayStation Network account is already linked. So if yours isn't linked, simply scroll down on this page and look for the PlayStation Network and click on it. Then select Continue and it'll bring you to the PlayStation website where you can sign into your PSN and link your account. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.